Well, hello everybody, and I'm back in my local Dollar General. And I don't know about you, but my Dollar General has been having a lot of issues. And today it is, they have it on all the buggies. Self-explanatory. I guess I got tired of repeating it. So, if it's like that in your neck of the woods, leave it in the comments, because I want to know if it's issues, in general. I'm just curious. And wow, I see. What's the deal with all the tasty cakes up here in bags? Huh. That's interesting. Well, you want to know, and so do I. That's why we're in the store today. We're going to walk around and see if there's some stuff that we don't know about. Please like and share the video while you're here. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do so. That way you won't miss any of our field trips, our awesome information, and our daily deals. And of course, everybody, allow the video to play all the way through. That's super duper important, because YouTube is watching and they watch the watch times. So please allow it to play even if you walk away. And of course, like I said, leave me a comment. I truly appreciate it. Alright, guys. Let's have a look here. This is what I'm here for. Powerade. It is still on sale for 3 for $3, and it's hot as the dickens out. And I got some folks working in my yard, so we're going to come up here and we're going to pick up 6 of these Powerades, because it's going to be $6. If you still have the dollar coupon, then it has a dollar coupon. But I think I have used all of mine, so it will be 6 for $6. Still an awesome deal. I'm still saving almost $3 on the 6. Now we also have the body armor that is 3 for $3 as well. The savings is about $1.05. So with the heat going on like it is today, holy moly, this is what I'm getting today. So that's it. Let's go see what other kind of deals we can find. Now, what would be really good, because it is so hot, is these Dole Mandarin oranges, 3 for $6. You have the Mandarin oranges in gel, regular Mandarin oranges. You got peaches and cream, the mixed fruit, diced peaches. Wow. And you even have the strawberry gel. That's a really good variety. So you can pick up 3 of those. Pop them in your fridge for a cool snack later. And it looks like we also have the snack packs of the Jell-O for $1.25. That's also a good deal, as well as the pudding snacks. So not bad, guys. We got lots of cool deals that'll help you stay cool. And of course, we're always looking for the food deals. I'm not seeing anything ticketed or on sale for that matter. Wow. But in their defense, I don't think that they've had internet for a couple of days, so they might not be able to address that. Rotel for $1.50. Now that's one of those items I think you can actually get cheaper at Walmart. Now these Lipton iced teas are on sale, 3 for $95. You've got a $3 off when you spend $10. So 3 of those will do it. Okay, this is one of my favorite little sales, and that is the Dawn buy one get one free, or buy one and get one 50% off, because you can get 2 of the Dawn sponges for $1.50. That's a really good deal. If you like the soft and firm scrubbers, You can get 2 for $4.50, or get the double sponge with that particular scrubby on there also. Ooh, our lamps are back on sale, guys. 50% off. I love the opportunities to get lamps. And they're always getting new ones in. So if you need some new lighting, 50% off. And the best time to get it is on Saturday. $12.50 for the $25 lights. I mean, that's a really good deal. The wall clocks and the furniture is back on 50% off. So if you didn't do any of that this last time, well, you have another opportunity to get 50% off. Oh, look at this. They've got the fall stuff out. Candy corn, pumpkins. Oh no. Cinnamon brooms. It's too early for this. My summer has really barely started. It's not even August yet. Close, but not really. However, look at these. These are nice. $4. And guys, when these go on clearance, these are one of those things that is interchangeable. It doesn't have to be fall to use those things like that right there. Okay, just so you know. And gather signs like that down there. And it doesn't have, or this basket, which I'm absolutely loving. It's $12. I can see that hanging on my bathroom wall with some towels in it. Yeah, so, and we still got the green dot and green clover, buy one get one free. They still got lots and lots of that going on. This is red dot right here. That's going to be next, I do believe. Not a whole lot in the way of this week. Really, not a whole lot. However, new product, guys. Degree All Day Fresh Body Wash. You got 3 scents. One is coconut, cool rush, citrus, and energy. And I'm assuming it's just in general body wash is what it is, but it's $5. You do have a coupon for that. This is the deal I want to talk to you about. We've got $3 offs on both of these items right here. Okay, both of these items are $26. So if you included these two items together, you're right there at a 5 off 25. So it would be $11 coming off of a $26 purchase. That's a pretty good deal. Okay, I did this deal on Saturday. It turned out really good. So if you use diapers, then you need to be doing this deal on Saturday. And even during the week, it would not be bad. It would be $15 during the week. It is going to be $10. That's with taxes on Saturday. So 2 of your LUVS diapers for $8. They're on sale 2 for $15. You've got a $4 off. 1 of the $11 Huggies, okay, 1 of those, you've got a $5 off. And then, of course, your 5 off 25. And that's a winner chicken dinner deal if you've got kids and you need diapers. Alright, guys. I've got my little stashola that I'm going to be getting. Like I said, this is my daily deal. No coupons needed. And, of course, I'm getting me a cow tail. And I'm telling you, that tail's getting shorter and shorter. Alright, guys. I'll see you again real soon for our next video and our next deal. Blessings.